Why do families across China come together over meals? It's because of the delicious, balanced and wholesome dishes they share. First, start with the basics, rice or noodles. They're the foundation of any Chinese meal. Got that? Great! Next, veggies. Think bok choy, Chinese broccoli and snow peas. Stir-fry them with a bit of garlic, ginger and soy sauce. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. For proteins, let's get creative. Try Kung Pao chicken, sweet and sour pork, beef with broccoli or stir-fried shrimp. And don't forget tofu. It's like the Swiss Army knife of Chinese cooking. Don't skip the soup. A light egg drop or a hearty hot and sour soup will round out your meal. Now, sauces and seasonings. Soy sauce, oyster sauce, hoisin, these are your best friends. Finally, remember, balance is key. Mix up colors, flavors and textures. Serve everything family style and let everyone dig in. With these tips, you'll be serving up delicious, balanced Chinese meals in no time. Happy cooking!